What's Buck, everybody? I'm at the office. It's President Krump. And as we make Krump praise again, I want to talk to you about style.
Ta-da! He is not the self-proclaimed creator of Krump. He is the creator of
What is
Krump.
Krump? Kingdom radically uplifted by the prayer.
I've been seeing a lot of footage. As you know, we throw an event every week. Krump has got an event every week. But what's lacking, there's good things and bad things. But as the creator, I gotta tell you what the issue is so we can fix it. So style is your approach to battles, sessions, and your approach to how you're gonna dance. A lot of people think style is like, I'm Iron Man or I'm Spider-Man. It's not that. It's more than a one-time thing. My style is my approach. So take the Style Ripper, which is a character I have, and I'm currently labbing on this character right now. I have to put the Style Ripper, which is a personality, an idea. I have to put it in a world. You can't just come out and do like stuff and say, this is my style. Like, what did this say? So the Style Ripper has to be in the world. So the Style Ripper, say he exists in a timeless realm. So everything is eternal. Nothing is momentary. That is my approach to this character. So I can't just come out and do my regular without dancing in this approach. I'm presenting my Krump through this channel of the Style Ripper, who is an eternal being. So I have to change the way I do jabs, arm swings, all the basics that you see us talking about. This is what changes it. The basics are the same, the machine is the same, but what makes it different for you is your individual style. So when you lab, don't only think about moves, think about motives. The motivation for your moves is your style. So as you get prepared for battle, like say, if I'm in a battle, Style Ripper, I have to do what this person is doing better than them. So I have to analyze, get information, take it to my realm, and then flip it to where it makes an impact to where I can win this battle. So style is not just basics piled on top of basics, hoping for a reaction from the crowd. It is an approach. I'm telling this story, the same Krump story that all you guys are telling, I'm telling it in my way, in my approach. So a regular pose is not just a regular pose when I put style on it. I have to put this in an eternal realm. Now it's more than just a pose. Some people just come out and do the pose. That's a reward for them. It's not satisfying for me. So those with high levels of Krump, we have different styles. I have Style Ripper, I have NYs, that's wisdom, I'm in wisdom. People think, oh, it's in New York. It stands for in wisdom, NYs. I have Tighteyex, you all know who Tighteyex is. I have the Mad Rip. All of these are different approaches. Yes, same person, different ideas, different personality. So when you build your style, build your world, your mannerisms, your style. Your character has to have a favorite food or something that irritates your character, something that your character enjoys. What makes your character excited? What makes your style, like what makes you live? You need to build that stuff in your style. That's where all your hype is going to come from. All your reaction, all your concepts, all your materials and ideas, they have to flow through your get off, but the person in the get off is your style. So through this machine, I'm doing the Style Ripper. Through this machine, I'm doing the Tighteyex. Whatever approach that you have, so you build basics for it. Same basics apply to every style. You're either going to be doing jabs, arm swings, arm placements. Pick your favorite. You're going to be chest banging, chest popping, chest hitting, core hitting. Pick your favorite. You're either going to be doing balance, direction, or planting, stepping, or stomping. Which one do you like? If you like all, mix it up in the pot, put all of them in there. But when you're not finished building your style until you have the things that your character is going to use or that your approach is going to use. Style Ripper is an epic character, so it's a lot of liveness, it's a lot of dramatics, it's a lot of drawn out things. It's eternal, so it lasts. So that is my approach. What I do is going to last longer than my opponent. So people are doing fast things in Krump, it's cool, but it's momentary. So over time, my eternal being, which is the Style Ripper, will win out more moments because that is my approach. That is my focus. That is my MO. When you are building your style, remember these things. That's what you take to the battle. So battles can actually be exciting instead of the same old, same old. You can't just put makeup on. You can't just put a face paint on your face. You can't just put an outfit on and call that your style. Come on, we gotta do better than that. You gotta do more work than that. It's not just a mask. It has to be you. Krump is the machine. Who is driving the machine? That is your style. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Peace and buckles.
I'm trying to spaz for the grace, bucket for the